Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best air fryers in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best air fryers in 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer 10 QD DoubleStack XL2 Basket. Cook smarter, eat better. Introducing the Ninja Air Fryer 10 QD DoubleStack XL, the ultimate kitchen companion designed to feed the whole family with ease. With its innovative two-basket system and compact double-stack design, you can cook two foods, two ways, at the same time without sacrificing counter space. Whether you're air-frying crispy chicken wings, baking desserts, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, this 6-in-1 appliance makes it all simple and fast. Its generous 10-quart capacity can handle a 5 pounds whole chicken and serve up to 8 people, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. The dual-zone technology ensures synchronized cooking or independent operation for each basket, giving you total meal flexibility. Plus, it's easy to clean with non-stick, dishwasher-safe parts and user-friendly controls. Enjoy healthier meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Compact yet powerful, the Ninja DoubleStack XL saves space without compromising performance. Cook faster, smarter, and more deliciously, every time. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja Air Fryer, where convenience meets versatility. Number 2. The Instant Pot Vortex 2 QD Mini Air Fryer is your perfect kitchen companion for quick, easy, and delicious meals. Compact yet powerful, this small air fryer is ideal for individuals, couples, or anyone short on kitchen space. With 4 smart cooking functions, air fry, bake, roast, and reheat, it delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil, making your favorite foods healthier without sacrificing flavor. This mini air fryer heats up fast and cooks evenly thanks to advanced even crisp technology, delivering restaurant-quality results in minutes. From crispy fries and roasted veggies to baked treats and reheated leftovers, it does it all with minimal cleanup. The 2-quart capacity is great for small portions, meal prep, or side dishes. Even better, it comes with access to over 100 in-app recipes via the Instant Brands Connect app, giving you endless meal inspiration right at your fingertips. Whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro, the Instant Pot Vortex 2 QD Mini makes mealtime simple, fast, and flavorful, every time. Number 3. The Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 QD Air Fryer is your ultimate kitchen companion for fast, healthy, and delicious meals. Designed for convenience and versatility, this 4-in-1 appliance lets you air fry, roast, bake, and reheat with the touch of a button. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy chicken, or reheating leftovers, it delivers consistently delicious results with 95% less oil than traditional frying methods. Equipped with custom smart cooking programs, it takes the guesswork out of meal prep, offering precise temperature and timing controls for your favorite dishes. The spacious 5.7-quart basket is perfect for families or meal prepping, fitting up to 2 pounds of fries or a whole chicken. This model comes complete with useful accessories that expand your cooking options, and it pairs seamlessly with the Instant Brands Connect app, giving you access to 100+ recipes, tips, and step-by-step guidance to elevate your home cooking. Sleek, easy to clean, and fast heating, the Instant Vortex Air Fryer is perfect for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen without compromising on taste or health. Ready to upgrade your meals? Number 4. COSORI Air Fryer 9-in-1, 6-quart compact and powerful. Experience healthier cooking without compromising flavor with the COSORI 9-in-1 Air Fryer. Featuring a generous 6-quart capacity and a compact design, this powerful appliance is perfect for families or busy kitchens. With fast turbo cooking modes and precise temperature control from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers even, consistent results every time, whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or dehydrating. Enjoy your favorite dishes with up to 95% less oil ***, making it an ideal choice for guilt-free meals. The 9-in-1 functionality includes presets that simplify cooking meats, vegetables, snacks, and more, while the intuitive digital display makes operation effortless. Its sleek, space-saving design fits comfortably on any countertop, and the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket ensures quick cleanup. Whether you're preparing crispy wings, juicy roasts, or homemade dried fruits, the COSORI air fryer gives you the flexibility and performance of a full kitchen appliance in one compact unit. Upgrade your cooking game and savor faster, healthier meals every day. Number 5. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Plus Convection Toaster Oven, TOA 70, is a versatile 8-in-1 kitchen appliance that combines the power of an air fryer with the convenience of a full-function toaster oven. Crafted in sleek stainless steel, this countertop essential not only looks modern but delivers outstanding performance across multiple cooking functions. Whether you're baking a cake, grilling vegetables, broiling meats, or simply warming leftovers, the TOA 70 is designed to handle it all. Its spacious interior can accommodate a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of toast, making it ideal for families or those who love to entertain. Day dinners to weekend snacks, the Cuisinart TOA 70 is a reliable, multifunctional companion that brings efficiency and style to any kitchen. Upgrade your cooking game with this all-in-one culinary powerhouse.